Which line you're talking about? Is this line? First, you need to write only one. Before you write, see, write only one thing. Write and NBSP. Then you can copy this. Copy right here, Control C, and then paste. You need to just paste it in this way. Then save and then check right here. So you will get some space right. Are you done? Now, if you see here, the home, programming, and about us, you can see this. You get this green color right here. Background color is green for this. But when you hover on that menu, hover means if your mouse pointer is going above this programming or about us or this home, then that color should appear. You can do that using this. First, we created it horizontal way. Then let's make it background color. Let's change the background color for this home, programming, and about us. Now, to change the background color into the index CSS. Now, this is the class menu item. In the same class, you can write here background color to green. Save it and let's check this one. So you get this green color here. If you want yellow color, you can change this to any yellow. Save, refresh, you get the yellow color right here. So I want to use the green color. Let's use green, yellow. Save, check. You got this home, programming, and about us. Is it working for you? First, you need to create a class.
Yes.
Okay. Class for 3 list items. Now for the class, we are writing code. Menu item, display inline block, then background to green, yellow in this way. But our requirement is when I go on this word, home, programming, or about us, then it should display that background, not all the way. When I hover my mouse, this mouse pointer on this, then it should display. Now we can do that using pseudo class. For example, you can just copy this thing, copy, paste it right down here, paste it, and here you can write colon and write the word hover. What is hovering? Your mouse pointer is above that word like this. So when your mouse pointer is on that word, then it should display this green. So for that, we write this colon and hover. We are writing that code for the menu item class. Then colon, hover, write this bracket, and you can just remove this line, Control X, put it right here. Because I want the background color only when I hover on that word. So I have written here dot menu item colon hover, then background color to green yellow. So let's say this and let's check what happens. See, now the color disappeared, but when my mouse pointer goes on the home, programming, about us, I get the background color. Check if it's working for you.
Sir, it-
Works?
yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, we need to convert this home programming and about us into a link. So we are going to create 3 pages. First is home page. That's what we are designing now. Then we will create the programming page. Then we will create the about us page. So when I click on programming here, that programming page will be open. And here about us. What is not working, Ahmad? However, not
Like
working. Which one?
when the thing when you said when you put the arrow, it puts a color that doesn't work for me.
Check for the, see, if you have written the class name, then colon, it should be colon right here, then write over, then write this thing, then it will work. The code should be like this. First we have menu item display inline block. After that menu hover, then background color to green. It will work definitely. Check the code. Okay, now I want to convert this home programming about us into a link so that when I click on that, it will open that page. Now to do this, we can use a tag, which is called anchor tag. So when you use anchor tag, the structure of anchor tag is like this. First we write A, then H reference. This is the attribute. Inside the H reference, we write programming dot html. This is the page, programming page. And then complete the a link. After that, right here programming. So this is the word we are converting into link using this. After that, slash a. So in HTML, you can see every tag starts and ends. So here, this a tag starts here. You are telling that when I click on this programming word, it should open this page. This is the page. So this is called hyperreference. H reference is equal to programming.html. So how to do it in our page? Let's do it. So this is our code. Now I want to convert this home, this programming word, and this about us into a link. Now to convert it, what I'll do, this is the list item. I can use a tag. So I'm using a tag. Press, sorry, not abbreviation. We need to use only a. This is the tag. Now you can see this is the tag is given right here. First, we need to write in the H reference the address of that page. Address of our page will be program.
Is this a B or a H?
Which one?
When it says
This is
the green.
a H reference. See, if you take a tag like this and press tab key, it will automatically come like a H reference. Then here you can write the word. But inside this H reference, you need to write address of that page. Now, what is the address of the page? You can directly write programming dot html. In the H reference, write this. This P should be small. Programming dot html. So this is the first link we created for this word, programming. Then we need to create one more for about us, this one. So what I'm going to create one more link here. Take a tag inside the H reference, write about dot html. And we need one more link called home. So here a tab key. Inside the H reference, we need to write name of our home page. The name of our home page is this one. See, you can see the index.html. So for that, I can write here index.html. These two pages we have not created yet, programming HTML and about HTML. That we can create later, but we have created a link like this. So are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Up to this. Now let's convert this list into a link. Now to do that, how to do this? You can just copy this thing, this part only, first part. Let's do it for the home, this one. So this is the home, this is for home. So just I'm cutting it, cut, Control X, cut, put it behind this list item right here. And the last part, a tag, Control X, put it right here after the list item. So our whole links becomes a link. This list becomes a link. Same for the programming. What I'm doing, copy this first part, cut it, put it right here. Then the ending of the anchor tag will go at the end right here. After that, this about it.
Sir, what is this and the and symbol and the NBSPU?
This and NBSP will put some space between items.
Can you not just do
See here.
BR?
Can you see here? It is home and
Yeah,
program.
but can
There
you
is
also
some
not
space
just do
right here.
BR?
There is some space. So to put that space,
Yes,
I
yes,
have
but
written.
sir, can you not just do the look in the chat?
Sorry, what do you want?
Look in the chat. Can you not just do that? That's what the ma'am taught us.
Break.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you put break, this word will go down on the new line. We don't want it on new line. Break means put all the elements on new line. Here we want in the same line, but put space.
Okay.
All right. So now the third list, this one, I'm going to convert it using this Control X, and let's put it right here. Paste, Control X, this last part, and put it right here. So this is our code. When I save, let's check, refresh. So when I refresh, your mouse pointer will convert into hand because of this A. See. I think I did not save. File save. It is saved. Then refresh. So when I go here, see, it becomes a mouse pointer. Sorry, hand. Get converted into hand. That means we have created a link. So when I click on this, it opens that page. When I click on programming, it will open the another page. Now here there is no page we have not created yet, so it shows that the file not found. You can directly click on back button, so you come back to that page. Check if it works for you. This is the code. How we did, first we wrote anchor tag here. In the first part of anchor tag will go here before the list tag. Ending part will go after the list tag. Done. Okay, can we go ahead then? All right. So here, the next part. By this time, we have done the first division. First division, black background, then list, that menu, home, programming, and about us. Then we need to put this image. So to put image, we need to create one more division. So this was the division for menu bar, which is ending right here. Now, after that division, this is the menu bar division. Now we want to create one more division for to put image. So after this division, press enter key. Create one more division right here. Division. Press enter key, and you can name it as ID is equal to you can write here banner, because it is like a banner. ID is equal to banner. Now inside this division, we will put image. So let's put image here using img tag. img. So whenever you take img, you will get one more attribute called source. So we can add any image right here. Now to add the image, you should go to pixabay.com. Here we can use all the three images, sharing it this URL chat box. Go to this Pixabay.
What is the code? I'm not done typing.
Okay, so this is the code. Okay, by the time you others, please pay attention.
Sir, the bottom.
Sorry, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why is ending? After 10 minutes, please join again on the same link. There is some issue with this room.
What, sir?
After 10 minutes, this meeting will end. You join again.
Okay.
Okay, if the meeting ends, join again on the same link. Okay, now we want to put image right here. So we created one division called ID is equal to banner. Inside this division, we have put this image tag and the source attribute. Right here, we can put images from this Pixabay. So there are various images here. You can use any image or the relevant image for your website. Right now, I am using, which one should I use? Let's use this one. So first go to that image, right click, then copy image link. Pay attention. When you open that image, right click on it, copy image link, then the link will be copied. Put that link right here inside the source. Control V, test it. Save this thing, save. Now you can check your page. You will get the image right. You should go to Pixabay first. Select any image you want to put. Right click on that image, copy image link, then put it into the source part. See, again, I have put this into the source part. Image, source, save file, and check. You'll get that image right here. So this is very big image. We need to adjust it. Is it working for you? Okay, if it is working, then we need
Sir,
to,
for me, it is copy image address.
yes, copy image address. Sometimes it shows copy image link, sometimes it shows copy image address. All right. So now we need to uh, adjust the size of that image. Now for that, again, we can write CSS for it. Now, if I want to write a CSS for this IMG, you can directly write inside this also. After the source here, you can write width to 100% of the page. Width to 100% of the page. So if you see this image, now it is very small. When I put the width 100% and when I refresh, I'll get that image like this, big image, full page wide. And let's put some height also. After this, you can put here height to 200 px. Height should be limited, so we are putting 200 px. Let's save and check. This image becomes small like this, but it doesn't look good. So what we can do, we can crop this image. Do you know how to crop? When you adjust the image like this, then it doesn't look good, but we can crop it using online photo editor. So for that, what I'm going to do, opening a new tab, go to pixlr.com, pixlr, this is the link. Just open this Pixlr E. Have you opened? You will get this online editor. Okay, if you have opened this pixlr.com, then click on this load URL. Click on load URL, and then you can paste the URL right here. So if I want to take image from the Pixabay right here and say I want to use this image. So right click, copy image link or copy image address, go to Pixlr and inside this load URL, paste it. Load. Now you will get the image right here. Now we need to crop it. To crop this image, you can use this crop tool right here. This is the crop tool. Select the crop tool. You will get this rectangle around the image. Then you can adjust this using the handle. Say I want to take only up to this. In this way. You can adjust that here also, width and height. So if I want height 200, I can put it here 200. You can adjust like this also. Once you are done with this, let's put this width to 900. Then press enter key. So you will get image like this. Okay. Now you can save this image. File, save. When you save, use the PNG format. PNG, save as. Now you need to give a name to this file. So I'm using this right here, garden. You can name it anything, garden.png, apply. See, I'll get this image downloaded right here. So once I download this image, see, I got this image, garden.png. Control X, take this image out, put it into our project folder right here. So I put the image folder, image we just created into our project folder. So this garden.png I can use in my code right here inside the source part. I can write here garden.png. Save this file and let's check how it looks. It's our page. When I refresh, I'll get image like this. Are you getting how to do this?
Yes.
Very simple. First go to pixlr.com, open the image, use the crop tool, crop the image, whatever image you want. Then you need to save this image. File, save. Save using PNG. Give it a name. That image will be downloaded in your downloaded folder. Copy that image to your project folder and write the image name directly as the image source. Is it working?
Sir, when I go to the thing, okay, yeah, I have to unlock it now, and then I can do.
Yes. Okay. If the meeting ends now, please join it again on the same link. By the time you can see the code,